Hello. Today you have a second episode about habits. Let's dive in. Most rich people didn't become wealthy overnight. They developed wealth habits slowly, daily, and consistently. Here are 7 wealth habits anyone can start today. Habit 1: automation. Poor people earn and spend. Rich people earn, save, and invest on autopilot. Example: automatic savings, automatic investing, 401k autopilot. These alone have made millions wealthy without thinking. Historical. Most of Warren Buffett's wealth came after age 60 because compounding takes time. Habit 2: health is wealth. Rich people exercise more and sleep more. Poor people hustle without rest. Example: Jeff Bezos prioritizes 8 hours of sleep. He claims his best decisions come because he protects his energy. Habit 3: daily learning. Rich people learn something every day. Poor people think learning ends in school. Historical proof. Leonardo da Vinci read continuously throughout his life and mastered multiple industries. Habit 4: asking bigger questions. Poor mindset. How can I save money? Rich mindset. How can I create more money? Example: instead of I can't afford it, ask, how can I afford it? Habit 5: multiplying income streams. Average person, 1 income. Millionaire, 7 income streams. Example: Warren Buffett. Real estate. Stocks. Businesses. Licensing. Royalties. Habit 6: delayed gratification. Poor mindset needs pleasure now. Rich mindset delays reward for bigger gain later. Psychology proof. Stanford marshmallow experiment. Habit 7: growing with failure. Poor people fear failure. Rich people use failure as feedback. Example: Thomas Edison failed 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. Don't ask, how do I get rich? Ask, how do I develop rich habits? The chains of habit are too weak to be felt until they are too strong to be broken. Samuel Johnson. Hope you found this helpful. Hit that like button and subscribe for more. Comment section is also available. See you in the next one.